this video, we'll be demonstrating how the Jabra Biz 1100 EDU performs against typical background noise in a classroom. Let's jump into it. There's some classroom noise at around 60 to 65 decibels, so let's see how the headset performs against this noise. I'm wearing the Jabra Biz 1100 EDU, our durable and lightweight headset designed specifically for students. It has a boom arm and a noise-cancelling microphone. You can hear just how effective the headset is in blocking out background noise. Without the headset on, you can rarely hear the difference. That was really noisy. So when you're choosing a headset for students learning in the class or at home, the Jabra Biz 1100 EDU is the one that's going to optimize their learning experience anywhere, anytime.